What's up, everyone? Today we're taking a look at the all-new Milwaukee M18 FUEL combo kit. This is the Gen 3 impact and drill driver. Extremely powerful tools. The model number for it is 2996-22. Now, as always, we're going to put these to the test, and I will put a link in the description below for you to check them out. Let's get started. The Gen 3 with the OneKey. This thing is unbelievable. I'm giving this the top pick, best impact and driver on the market today. Not only will you get one battery, you will get two red lithium XC 5.0s with this kit. You will also get the Milwaukee FUEL M18 drill driver and the impact. Now again, these are the OneKey version, just hit the market recently. You're also going to get the really nice Milwaukee hard case for this and the handle that goes on your drill. Now we'll take a look at some of the OneKey functions later on during the video, but there's a lot of dedicated videos, even from Milwaukee out there, that can show you better than me. Now, in case you were wondering, yes, both of these tools are brushless. Now this is the 1/2-inch hammer drill driver and the 1/4-inch hex impact driver. They will both separately hook up to the Milwaukee OneKey application. All you got to do is connect them. It takes about 2 seconds. And if you haven't read about it on the TRZ website yet, Milwaukee OneKey app just updated the geo-fencing. They added that feature to allow you to keep these tools in a designated area. If not, if it's removed out of that area, it will alarm and let you know. Now you do get an LED light right here at the base next to the battery. You also get a couple functions down here. You got the anti-kickback indicator. You can also adjust the speeds on this driver. Now the low setting on here, you're looking at up to 550 RPM. On the high, you're looking at up to 2000. And again, you do get the 1/2-inch all metal ratcheting chuck on this thing. You got 14 different clutch settings, and you get the drill and the hammer drill mode. They also give you the belt clip. And go on left or to right, and you get that really nice little bit holder right there. Alright, so now it's time to put this thing to work. We got some Bosch spade bits here. We're just going to go with the 1.5-inch spade. We're just going to punish it. We're going to go down through a treated 4x4. We're going to see how it handles it. Now we're not going to clean this out. We're just going to go straight down and see if it'll handle it. Looking at peak torque here, 1200 inch-pounds. Now, FYI, this is on setting 1. Setting 1 has so much freaking torque, you're not bogging it down. It's just going to go straight through. So no issues at all with that. Let's move it along. We're going to put this on the second setting, the high setting, and we'll see what it does here. Super blistering fast, but me personally, I like going on that lower setting. It just has that torquiness to it. You don't have to worry about stalling out on you because of the safe mode. Either way, I have this thing on high, going through this 4x4 like a beast. See her get stuck up a little bit. That's why I suggest the first setting. So me personally, if I were doing paddle bits, I would go on to setting 1. Setting 2 is where this thing is going to shine on the concrete. Let me show you that now. Alright, this concrete block, it's about 5-6 inches thick. We're going to start out on high with the impact drill mode on. Once we blast a couple holes through, we'll put it on the slower speed. But we're going to use the Milwaukee hammer drill bit set here. I'll also put this in the link below. We're going to go with the 3/8. Alright, we're just going to put it on blast. We're going to go high speed, push down real hard. We'll clean this one out for some of you that will say, why didn't you clean it out? Well, there you go. We'll clean it out, and then we'll do it without a clean out on the next one. Alright, we're going to do it without a clean out on this. We're going to see if it goes all the way down. Now, this concrete's a little bit wet. Went all the way through, no clean out, blazing fast, so powerful. Alright, so now we're going to go on the low mode here, setting 1. You can push down as hard as you want on this thing all day long. It's not bogging down. It's just going to keep going and going. A lot more controlled right here. Really powerful. There you go. All right, let's go with the 1/2 inch bit. We're just going to go beast mode with it. We're going to go all the way down. We're not going to clean it out. We're just going to push as hard as we can and see what it does. Well, there you go. That's the drill driver from Milwaukee, the new Gen 3 OneKey. Let's move it along to the impact now. And another little beast, this thing here, the Chuck Type 1 1/4 hex. Max torque on this up to 2,000 inch-pounds. The RPM up to 3,600. IPM on it 4,300. Now you actually have 4 different speed settings on this. All you got to do is hit the speed control button like so, and you can change in between them. They'll light up. Now this is also brushless. I don't think what people realize is how small these things actually are and how light they are. Without the battery, you're only looking at 3.8 pounds for that. For the drill driver, you're looking at 4.7 pounds without the battery. Now we're going to do some lags here. These are 1/2 inch. We're not going to do any pilot holes. Absolute freaking monster on that. That was on the highest setting, by the way. Check it out. You can just sink this all the way down, no issues at all. Let's take it out. An absolute freaking monster. Now I'm going to let you hear what it sounds like from the lowest setting up to the highest setting. Alright, setting 1, setting 2. Alright, setting 3. And then back up to the highest setting 4. Okay, again, so powerful and so compact, so light. That's what's really surprising and why I really love these impacts and these drill drivers from Milwaukee. Now let me show you a little bit about the OneKey here. Literally takes 2 seconds to set up. I got the impact there, I got the drill driver. We can do a custom drive control. You know, if we got this messed up with somebody else's drill, all we got to do is hit locate and it'll start blinking for you. And you know, tons more that you can do with this. Last known place seen, you know, that new geo-fencing that everybody's really excited about. You can actually put a parameter of where you want that tool to stay, and if it goes outside of that parameter, it'll alert you. Just an awesome combo set. Again, I will put a link in the description below. I don't think it gets much better than that, and that's why we're going with this for the #1 pick for impact and drill driver combo sets on the market at this very moment. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Check us out at toolreviewzone.com. Also come say hi to us on Instagram and Twitter. We'll be back with more tool reviews soon.